Good morning, crafty peeps. I'm so excited to share with you another project. This is for Paper Phenomenon and also PhotoPlay. So let me tell you what I use. So I use A Day at the Park by Michelle Coleman, and it is so stinking cute. Of course, I live in Florida, so you know this will come in handy when I go to Orlando. So the collection is a color play collection, but we also have a photo play. So I'm going to go through these in just a moment. But I want to let you know that I use two 12 by 12 packs of the basic core color collection, which you can find at www.paperphenomenon.com, as well as the tutorial that I use, and that is the Signature Stories Basic Album. I really love this tutorial. This is my second album that I made with this, but this time I decided to use a different signature. So she has 1 through 6, and in this particular one, I used 1, 4, 5, and 6. And last time I used 2, 3, 4, and 5 on my other tutorial that I had done, not tutorial, but album that I had done a while ago. So I really love how stinking cute this collection is. So this paper pack includes 12 by 12 sheets, 2 of each, and then you also get 1 sheet of the element stickers, which I basically use almost all of them. I don't have it in front of my face, but I also use The Day at the Park. This is their tiny prints. This is also another color play. You get 6 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided designer cardstock and 2 sheets of 6 double-sided designs. So I love that as well. And I love how you also get additional tags in here, which are different from this collection over here. Also, I used the Solids Plus, and that is by PhotoPlay. This is a Day at the Park collection pack, contains 6 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided designer cardstock and 2 sheets of 6 double-sided designs. So that's a lot to spit out. But anyway, I really love how this turned out, and let's go ahead and show you what I did. Oh, by the way, I also used PhotoPlay's polymer stamps, and I really love using these. And I also used a lot of the die cuts as well. You get a lot in here, so I did use quite a few of them. I decided to leave some of them out so that once I put photos in here, we can go ahead and add this in here. Now, almost everything in here except for this little piece of paper and this little cut apart. This is actually not a cut apart. This is a die cut that I use. This is my own die cut that says Forever. And also this film strip die cut is mine as well. But everything else came in the stickers and also the die cut collection pack. So let's get on into this. This album is 10.5 by 10 inches, and then my spine right here is 4 inches. Okay, and there's just a lot going on in here, so I'm going to try to get through this as much as possible. Let me move this a little bit closer over here, so hopefully you all can get everything into the picture. But I made this where you can slide the photos underneath in here, and I did a lot of layering with some foam dots. And I love the Ferris wheel, the oh boy. This is part of the die cuts, and I love that dream. And then again here on the sides, I use some of the cut apart. So this is my happy place, and then the kingdom. And then on the back, I use the polka dot page. And I really love how this came out. So let's get on into it. So first of all, you have your Signature Stories pocket. Again, this is another one of my die cuts that says Love, and the star die cut is mine as well. And then again, the Forever. But and then I also used a tab die from my stash. But other than that, pretty much everything else is from this collection. So I used a lot of 4 by 6 mats. Right here you have your 2.5 by 2.5, and I love the Forever on there. And also I made another 4 by 6, and then I used one of my tab dies. And what I did was I cut out some stars, and then I went ahead and glued and also used foam dots to kind of layer it on here. And then here's one of the tags from the collection, Magic Wonder. And then again, here's another one with the cute little balloons right there. So then it goes into here. You actually have a pocket here. Maybe I should take one of these with me so I can show you what's going on. So you have a pocket here. I also left this open. This is another one of my die cuts. Okay, so just so you know, this is one of my dies. Right here you have some of the tags from the collection. Here's the Kingdom, most expensive day ever. Here's one of the stickers, we are here. And again, we also have this way to new adventures. And I left this blank so you could either journal on the back or you could put photos on there. And most likely I would put photos. And then it opens up again one more time. And you have a little pocket right here. I love the little ears. I love this plaid. And this is actually one of the tags, and I went ahead and cut apart right here. And then this is one of the die cuts. And then right here, just being goofy. So you also have another pocket here and here to hold plenty of photos. And then as well, here you have a pocket that has a mat right here, more 4x6s, lots of space. And then it opens up, and hopefully I will show you everything that goes to this because there's a lot going on here. We have another mat right here that just slides in there. Then we have another pull-out mat that holds photos, and this is another one of the cut-aparts from the collection. Love this, a 4x6 one. And then we have more space for more photos, lots and lots of room on here. And then you have a large space to put a big photo right there or several smaller ones. That's up to you. And it opens up, and again, did I prop this one up? Yes, I did. Just a little bit, and eventually once I have my photo on there, I'm going to glue it down. Let me move this out of the way so I can get this all in frame. There we go. Then right here, I have some more stickers. I mean, isn't this the cutest? Then I have another mat right here that goes on in there, and then you can just turn this, more stickers, fun. This is one of my favorite stickers right here, is the car, and then I put Main Street USA. This one says the big cheese and magical, and I love these little vintage cameras, photo op, so I'll definitely have photos put on there, and then another pocket right there. So plenty of room for more photos. And then right here we have some photo mats that I made. This is another one of my die cuts, my personal die cuts. So I thought that was really cute there. And again, more photos. I love this vintage movie camera. So definitely of the Disney films. And then we have some more. I think this is 5x5s right there. And then we have another photo mat with a large pocket. So lots of photo space. I'm telling you guys, this album goes on and on forever. More stickers from the collection. Again, here's another photo mat. And then I made this little photo mat right here to go inside the little pocket. More of the stickers, so stinking cute. Again, it opens up again. Look at how many photos you can hold in here. I'm sure it's well over 200 by far. Again, here are some of the 6x6 photo mats that come with one of the collections, a pocket right here. I made this a photo mat right here, and again, another sticker from the collection, and then one of the 4x6 cards, best date ever. And I love them. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Oh, and again, of course, obviously you have a huge space to put down a large photo. And lots and lots of pictures can be held in here. So then this kind of mirrors the opposite page. Again, you have more photo mats with a pocket. Again, I created more photo mats to basically, you know, extend my paper so that I'd have plenty to work with. Again, here was some of the 6x6 tinier prints. And then another large photo mat. I'm going to completely move this out of the way because this book gets so big. Again, we have another card that holds this closed, so there's no magnets. I love the smiles from ear to ear. And then again, another photo mat down below and a huge space right here. So you could definitely have 4x6s or 4x4s, whatever you want to do, or a giant photo. And so we will move on to, this is just the second signature right here, just so you all know. So you got lots of space here. I did a big layout right here, and she definitely has a tutorial for you as well for matting, so that's always fun. And this I thought was really cute. This is kind of like a Matchbox book, which I put a little sticker here, and then you just open it up and you have a photo mat there, and then again you have like a little booklet of photos that you can put in here. Okay, and then it just closes up like that, and then you turn the page, and then I made more photo mats as well. Then this is your third signature, and again we have another one of the 6x6 pages right here, and then I love the oh boy sticker. This opens up, you have lots of pockets, lots of photo mat right there, more photos. I'm telling you guys, this is an amazing tutorial, and I just absolutely love this collection. If you're a Mickey Mouse fan, you will love this one. Again, I love the little cupcake. And then we have another one of the cut aparts, the car again with the luggage on top. That's so cute. Best vacation ever. This opens up, and I made another photo mat space that holds 4x6s. This is a pocket right here, and as well as another pocket right here, so you could slide that in there. But I made this a photo mat right there, so it just slides in there, and I love the Magic Moments die cut right there, or it's one of the stickers. I can't even keep up with all of it. There's so much going on with this collection. This is a little popcorn. This was one of the 3x4 cards, and I went ahead and cut this out. And then again we have another pocket, and then another mat pocket as well. So tell you what, you can hold so much in here. Then it opens up again, and you have a large photo mat right here and two smaller ones here. And again, we have this really cute pocket, another photo mat. Adorable. This is where the magic happens. So cute. And then this opens up right here, and then you can put a large photo right there. Then you turn it over. Actually, that wasn't supposed to slide out like that. So you put this as your actual closure, okay? So you could have it like, sorry, it would be more like this, okay? So you just pull this out, and then you don't need any magnets. This is one of my favorites. May I have your autograph? We should have like a whole page of just those. Again, here, you can put smaller photos and a larger photo here. And then look, we have a great big photo, and then this is actually, again, this is stamps from a stamp collection, and so is this one. And I just cut it out, popped it up, and added some string on there for the little balloon right there. But again, that closes like that. And then here we have another opening right here. I love this I'm Tall Enough photos. 4x6, 4x4s. Love this. Again, you have a nice large pocket right here. And then again, we have another mat layout. And right here, this is another large pocket right here that you can put something in there as well. And then again, another mat. Lots and lots of space. Again, you have another large pocket right there and two smaller little pockets. And aren't these cute? And a large photo space right here. And then right here, I use one of the stickers from the collection. And then we have another large pocket right here. I just love the little Mickey Mouse in there. This is just so cute. Magic Moments, and here's the kingdom. And then it flips on over, and then again, this is your closure again for these little babies right here, but these are little pull-outs. Okay, so you can put photos on these, and I have it where it's double-sided on both sides, and I probably would put photos here as well. And then this just slides right back in, and that's your closure for that. Right here, this is so cute, lettuce in, and I thought that was kind of cute to put this on here. But I love how you have your little photo spots there. I love this little ice cream holder, so cute. Again, you have more little pockets right here, okay, for small little tags. And I pretty much used everything in this collection, and that's why there's not a whole lot left here. Look who I met. So I have a large photo right there. And then this closes up. More photo mats, and I made this a little tuck spot. And then once I put the photo on there, you can go ahead and glue it down. And then, having so much fun, I added one of the stickers from the collection on here. Love the little the to-go coffee cup, so cute. And more mats. Another large signature pocket. Anyway, just visit www.paperphenomenon.com to get your solid core cardstock and also the tutorial, the signature stories basic album, but they have several others if you want to try that. So anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and don't forget to pick up your collections of A Day at the Park by PhotoPlay and ColorPlay. Thank y'all. Bye. Mwah.